continue with our unit. What's our unit? Films and theatre. Whatever unit we started with the film director named Satyajit Ray. Then we talked about a review on the movie named Maya Bazaar. Today we are going to start with the new topic, that is a tribute. Now what does this tribute mean? Like September 5th is celebrated as which day? Teachers Day. Why are we celebrating Teachers Day? In honor of whom? Sarvapalli Radha Krishnan. Now in the month of November we have Children's Day. In honor of whom? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So this is something we are doing as a tribute. This is tribute. You are offering your tribute. You stand in attention for the national anthem as a tribute to what? To our country. Recently many of our soldiers were killed. They are martyrs. So as a tribute to them. So tribute. So did you understand what is a tribute? Now we are going to offer our tribute to someone from the film industry. A very good actress, a very good artist. Which is that artist? We'll slowly explore in our lesson a tribute. The Indian film industry has completed. Now all look into your page number 126. Just come to page number 126. What is the title? A tribute. Did you understand what is the meaning of tribute? Tribute means where you are offering your respect. So here it's a tribute to whom? Tribute to whom? It's for Savitri, the great Indian artist. So tribute is nothing where you are offering your respect. So we will see who is this film actress about whom we are going to talk in the lesson. A tribute. The Indian film industry has completed 100 years in the year 2013. It is a fitting tribute to the world of cinema to recollect our favorite films, producers, directors, actors and music and art directors. So now why are we recollecting all these people related to film industry? Because Indian cinema has completed how many years? 100 years. In which year? 2013. Telugu audiences are proud of many great producers, directors and artists. When I say artist, you have the heroine, the hero, the comedian, the directors, all those people come together in the category of artist. Savitri is one such prestigious artist. So who is this Savitri? She is a very prestigious or very famous artist belonging to which industry? Film industry. Ever since she was 8. So now we will go to the history, or we are going to study the life of Savitri. At what age? At the age of 8. She evinced. So evinced means she developed. Developed what? Interest in learning dance. Isn't it? In your class also there may be so many students who are interested in dance. But that dance, there are some children who have that dancing ability or dancing skill inborn means by birth. So she started teaching or learning dance from which age? From the age of 8. Where at the age of 8 you were busy, isn't it? At the age of 8 means now you were busy playing cricket maybe, or you were out playing some other games. But she was having so much of interest in learning what? Learning dance. Later she associated herself with the theatre. Theatre means not our film theatre. Theatre is place where you are performing what? Drama. You are performing some live activities. That is called as theatre. She formed a theatre organization as well. She had little difficulty in entering the film field. If your father is an actor, surely you can gain very easily entry into which industry? Film industry. But Savitri's father, neither her grandfather, nobody was in the film industry. So it it was little difficult for her to enter into which field? Into the film field. When Savitri was 12, so at which age did she develop interest in dance, or she was learning dance? At the age of 8. At the age of 12, what happened? She was offered a role in the film Agni Pariksha. So now when we are studying tribute, we are going to see the story of a lady, an artist named Savitri. Savitri, I think you recently saw the movie on Mahanati. So Mahanati is a film based on the life of Savitri. So this Savitri at the age of 12, she was offered a role in which movie? In Agni Pariksha, but was finally dropped as she looked too young for the role. So she was not given chance in the movie Agni Pariksha, because we already told for her to gain entry into the film industry or the film field was not very easy. It was not a cakewalk for her, because she was not having someone to help her, because neither of her father or her uncle or someone was in the film industry. So she found it little difficult. In the initial stages, she was even rejected the role. Why was she rejected the role? Because she was too young for the role. She was given a song sequence. So now she didn't get a chance. She was given a song. Which is that song? Ranante Rane Ranu. This is the movie in Patala Bhairavi. Savitri's part in it was brief. So beginning time. So her role was very small role, very short. But the effect of her performance was considerable. So sometimes people do very small role, but that remains in our memory for long. Same way she did a very small role in Patala Bhairavi, but her performance, because she was a talented artist, her performance was remembered by all. Her expressions were beautiful. See, look at her picture here. You can see Savitri. Her expressions, her beautiful eyes, her expressive eyes. So all this is because of her great expressions. Her expressions were beautiful. A lot of filmmakers recognized a potential artist in her. Potential means, what is that potential energy you heard in physics? Potential energy. Energy which is stored. So people, that is film directors or filmmakers, saw a lot of potential stored in whom? In Savitri. As a result, she was elevated means lifted to the role of a heroine by the noted director L.V. Prasad in the film Samsaram. In the year 1950, she was elevated. If you do not have talent, if you do not have the passion to act, though you may be son of an artist, your father may be hero, your mother may be heroine, if you don't have that talent, you will not be accepted by which industry? Film industry. That chance will be given to someone who is much more talented than you. So she was lifted. She was lifted. Lifted means now here, why she was lifted? Because she had what? Talent. She was a potential artist. On the sets, she was nervous. Now if you are given on the spot, you are being told, like M.A. Ryan give a speech on the topic Children's Day. So what will happen to M.A. Ryan? He will feel very nervous. You know, nervousness. You will be very tensed. Do you understand? So you will get that tension. So, but after some time, M.A. Ryan may be ready to give what? Speech. Because he has overcome his what? Nervousness. So here she also, in the beginning stage, she also was very nervous. She had to repeat many takes. Repeat means understood action. So she had to do so many takes. And this proved a setback for her. Setback means failure. So Savitri in the beginning, so we are offering tribute to Savitri. So who is that actor about actress or the artist about whom we are speaking here in the lesson tribute? Savitri. So Savitri's initial days were not not find it very easy. So in the starting days, she had to take many takes and retakes. Setback means clear, setback means failure. The role was given to someone else and she was given a small role of less import. Import means importance. Suppose if you are given a chance to sing a song, though you are talented, you were nervous, you don't want to sing. So what will happen? Nobody will wait for you. The chance will be given for somebody else. So same way, because of her nervousness, she could not do the acting very well. So that chance was given to somebody else and she was given a very less role, small role. In the film Devadasu, now is coming the Pillar movie, the movie which changed the life of Savitri. Devadasu in the year 1953, one of the best picturization of Sharat Chandra Chatterjee's novel Devadas. So in Telugu it is Devadasu, in Hindi it is Devadas. Parvati comes alive in Savitri. See? In the movie Devadas, the character's name is Parvati. And this Parvati role is played by who? Savitri. So in the movie, Savitri is no longer Savitri. She became like who? Parvati. That means she became alive in the role. So any actor, they have to get into the role. Like you see so many biopics. Dhoni, MS Dhoni movie performed by Sushant Singh Rajput, late Sushant Singh Rajput. So he took so many years to study that movie because he wanted to act like who? MS Dhoni. So they have to learn the mannerisms, how Dhoni talks, how Dhoni behaves, everything he has to study so that that role becomes lively. So here Parvati, the role in the movie Devadas or Devadasu, Savitri became alive in the character of Parvati. The young Parvati with curly hair. See here, if you look at the picture, what type of hair she has? Curly hairs. A lock of hair straight to her forehead. You know which is our forehead, isn't it? This is our forehead. So there is a lock of hair. In olden days, that was the style. That was the fashion. Like now you see the trending fashion, isn't it? Hairs grown by not only women, even boys are growing their hairs. Trend. So this trend is changing. So now here she had a lock of hair, one small lock of hair on her forehead. The large round blackberry eyes. Now the description of her eyes, black eyes, looking out from an innocent face. So her face was very innocent, left an indelible imprint on the minds of all cine lovers. Cine lovers means those people who love movie or cinema. So her expressions, her black eyes, her curly hairs, all this as such, this personality of Savitri was imprinted into the minds of those cinema lovers. She portrayed Devada's love and the role of a rich man's wife marvelously. Marvelously means very perfectly. There was no flaws in the acting done by Savitri. Savitri left her mark in this evergreen Telugu classic. We learnt an evergreen classic movie, Mayabazar, before. So one more movie we are talking about is which one? Devadas. That Devadas became a very hit movie only because of the acting skills of which actress? Savitri. Now what are the next characters of our Savitri? We will do it in the coming chapters. Thank you.